After a full day of work, my feet are usually the first thing to tell me they've had enough. I'm Sarah with WTI, and this foot massager from MOUNTRAX is such an easy way to give my feet some relief without doing anything myself. The controls are right on the top. Everything is easy to adjust. You can choose 15 or 30-minute session. You can change the massage intensity, compression, and even add heat. So you're really able to customize the whole experience depending on what your feet need that day. And listen to this. Even while it's working, it's really not loud. I wanted to show it running without my feet inside so you can actually see what's happening in there. You can see the kneading action along with the air compression as it fills around your feet. And apparently I'm not the only one who appreciates it after a long day, because my husband was more than happy to take a turn using it as well. So this is definitely not just going to belong to me. And that's my point of view.